Hello, this is Jose Barriga. It's been a while since I uploaded any video, and I decided to activate my channel again, reactivate it, and start making videos. Since the last video that I uploaded, I have moved to Mexico. Circumstances of life made me make that decision, and I'm gonna be living in Mexico for a while in Puebla. And I was thinking, I'm a fixer and I've been doing a lot of things lately, and I also like to travel a lot, and my experiences can help others. And I'm thinking about reactivating my channel and then starting to show how I fix different things, and also some of my tips while traveling. I think those can be useful to people, so I'm gonna start sharing some new videos, and I'm actually going to start with one video about fixing the wiper on the rear wiper of a car. I bought a car that is kind of old, and the rear wiper, this rubber is damaged. It's gone. It doesn't have any rubber anymore. It's just the base, but the flap is gone. So I'm gonna start by fixing this. Um, I was looking for a replacement for this, and it's kind of difficult to find for that car. And it's usually around 300 pesos, which is around $15. It's not too bad, but it bothers me that I used to be able to just to find the rubber part here and replace it. Keep this and just insert a new rubber part. And I cannot find it anymore. Looks like they don't have any parts for this. They will send you the whole thing. And what I did is I basically just bought one of these longer version of this. This is I couldn't find any cheap ones like this, so I bought this really cheap because it's very standard. These are 20. These are 12 inches long. This is 24 inches long. So what I'm going to do is just cut it here, and I'll use just half of it to fix it, and then save the rest as a spare. This was very cheap actually. This was like 75 pesos for two of these, or the equivalent like $4. So I think it makes sense to try to use one of these to get two of those, actually four of those. So I'm going to show you how this works and how I start cutting this to make a replacement for the other. I start by trying to bend this, but this is plastic. If I force it, it's gonna break. So what I did is I just twisted with the pliers. When I did this, twisted with the pliers, hopefully you can see it. It just, is very flexible. So I'm just gonna pull it, and that should just get it out of the way. Okay. The next step is to break this into, I just have some pliers, and I'm going to get a tape measuring just to get the half and half. I should be able to get half, or just take the old one and just make it this long, as this is 12 inches and this is 24. You should go to the half with this, and that should be my place where I should cut. Ok, since I can just cut once, ya que solo puedo cortar una vez, voy a hacer mi siguiente video en inglés y en español. I'm gonna make this video in English and Spanish. Medí con uno de estos la mitad. I measured half, and I'm just gonna use pliers to cut. Vamos a ver cómo funciona. Ya está, ya lo corté. Ahora vamos a reinsertar este en el otro, en el otro limpiador. Let's go insert this in the other wiper. So we just pull it, and that's it. Lo jalamos y ya está, ya se salió de los rieles. Ok, este video va a ser en inglés y en español porque pues es solo un solo paso. Bueno, entonces simplemente busco el riel, asegurándome de que no se pierdan las partes de metal. I just look for the rail, making sure that the metal parts do not come out. They need to be there. Lo empiezo a empujar. start gonna push it in. Okay, it came in really nice, and I just gonna pull it. Lo voy a jalar. There you go. Ahí está, van dos de los rieles. Vamos por el tercero. We go for the third. There you go. It's in the third. And let's go just on the last one. Vamos al último. Ya entró perfectamente. Y the rubber is a little longer, but it's flexible, so I just gonna pull it. There you go. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. Como pueden ver, cabe perfectamente. Esto debe servir sin ningún problema en el carro. Y tengo otro reemplazo aquí que me quedó. I have another replacement here. I can even pull this because I don't need it anymore. So I'm just gonna pull it and get another part. It's stuck here. Lo voy a jalar para tener otro reemplazo. Listo. This bend, but I can just bend it over back the way it was. La parte del hule tiene una trampa aquí. This part has a trap, so it would not let me get this out. It looks like this is the one that I had to get. Este es el que tiene que secar. Este no. No sé si pueden ver, tiene una trampa aquí. Okay. This is probably not gonna be good for any other juice, but this is good, so I'm gonna try it. Este probablemente no va a servir para nada más, pero el otro limpiador sí debe estar funcionando, lo vamos a probar. Bueno, es tiempo de reemplazarlo. Este tiene una guía, tiene una parte que es redonda, una parte que es plana. Time to replace it. It has a round part and a flat part, and so it goes into I put this so it doesn't scratch the window. Puse esto para evitar que el limpiador rayara el vidrio. Okay, so this is round, so it should fit into the round part. Está redondo, así que va a quedar en la parte redonda, tiene su lado. Simplemente se fija esto y se aprieta. You just push it in. There you go. Se empuja así y se aprieta. Okay. Se aprieta, se empuja. Just push it in, fix it in, and let's see if it works. Let's see if we can make this work. Vamos a ver si se puede arreglar. Vamos a ver. Vamos a prender el carro. Ya sé, no pude comprar un carro eléctrico, pero vamos a ver si funciona. Vamos a ver si funciona. Let's see if it works. I think it works. Yeah, it works. Yeah, sí funciona. Perfecto. Quedó perfecto. Ya no limpiaba. It didn't clean anymore. It's working fine. And as you can see, it cleaned perfectly. Como pueden ver, ya limpia perfecto. Y así es como reparé mi limpiador de atrás, y en lugar de gastar como 300 pesos, gasté 75 pesos y me quedó un repuesto. And that's how I fixed it. And instead of spending like $15, I spent about $4 and I still have a spare. Gracias por ver. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you can subscribe and you can click on like on the video. Si les gustó, pues denle gustar al video y suscríbanse. Gracias.